Okay, so my Bosch dishwasher was currently fixed at the moment. I figured out what the problem was. When I was pulling, there was a little problem on the right. As you guys can see. I put it in the cup right there yesterday, and all of a sudden when I closed the lid, all of a sudden it started making noise. But what I did for you guys is I rearranged some of the dishes, yeah, some of them, and some down there. So we'll give this a test run, we'll try it again, if it works, it's fixed. Let's turn it on, put it in regular wash, and show it to you guys. Here. 133, let's see how it goes. Can you hear the drain noise? Time is showing 1 hour 133. Okay, it's filling up. We'll see how it goes when it's washing. It says refill rinse agent. I don't have rinse agent in the moment. Regular wash. And the time set to 133. We'll have a listen. When it's fixed, it's fixed. When it's not, it's still not fixed. Let's have a listen. Camera won't focus. Okay, looks like our Bosch dishwasher fixed. It's not making any watery sound or anything. It's just quiet. So again, this is the Bosch ecosense dishwasher being fixed at its normal cycle. When you check on the inside, you can see they're already starting to get washed right now. Fill it up with hot wash, and the steam has started coming up. So the problem, it looks like the problem is fixed. They're washing really well. If we have a listen again when I close the lid, listen. Can you hear that? Looks like we have successfully fixed the Bosch ecosense dishwasher. Hope you enjoyed this video, and also please comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.